Hey guys, it's Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, and in today's video, I'm going to show you guys what's inside of a box of swag gear, as they call it, that TalkDesk sent me. So before I explain the story behind this box of swag gear, first I'm going to tell you what TalkDesk is. In short, TalkDesk is basically voice over IP specifically for call centers or for small to medium or large businesses that need call center grade features. Whether that be auto dialers, predictive dialers, super advanced reporting, advanced AI, i.e. artificial intelligence. I'm not going to go into all of the details of exactly what TalkDesk is. I'll just tag some videos in the description and up in the cards on this video so you guys can see what it is. But in short, TalkDesk is one of the top 3 call center or virtual contact center grade voice over IP service providers that we work with. And they're also one of our personal favorites that we work with among many other contact centers that are specifically designed for businesses that need call center type features. We are also TalkDesk certified here at Rich Technology Group. So without further ado, back to the swag gear box. In short, back when I was working this op, I was working a really large op for a call center that we started working on back in October of 2019. They've recently closed out and decided that TalkDesk is the solution for them. But I remember when we were working the op, I was floating around on LinkedIn on TalkDesk page, and I saw a video of these guys that were wearing all this really nice gear, which I'm not going to tell you what it is until we open the box. I messaged over one of the global managers over at TalkDesk and say, hey, bud, what do I need to do to get some of that gear? And he said, if you close this deal that you're working on, I'll send you that gear for free. Long story short, we closed the deal, and that's what's in the box. So let me show you guys what we got. All right, guys, so here we are with the quote-unquote swag gear from TalkDesk. Let's see what we got here. Oh, let's flip this around. So first, it looks like we got a bag. Looks like we got an Ogio bag. And you know what? I'm not even sure if I'm pronouncing that right. So we're going to pause here for a minute because this is actually going to crack you guys up. So I saw in the video that they had online that the bag that the guys were carrying in the TalkDesk commercial were Ogio bags. The funny thing is I thought, well, for this video, I don't want to mispronounce this. Is it Ogio? Is it Ogio? How do you pronounce it? I went and looked this up on YouTube, and I literally found like a couple dozen videos of people literally reviewing different bags and different accessories from Ogio, saying that they had no idea how to pronounce it either. Lots of people in the comments were saying Ogio, like O-G-O, and then other people were saying Ogio, so I don't know. I like Ogio more, so I'm just going to say Ogio. How about that? So anyways, we have a Ogio brand TalkDesk bag. This thing is really nice, you guys. Like, the quality of this is nice. It's funny, at the time of this video, I'm actually going on a short vacation, a short local vacation to the beach, because I live not too far from the beach. Short local vacation to the beach, and you better believe I'm going to use this bag. So this thing is going to get broken in, and we're going to see just how sturdy it is. It's pretty spacious. I mean, I'm not going to go into all the aspects of it, but for a short vacation to the beach to throw, a few pairs of clothes, toothbrush, toothpaste, and maybe 1 or 2 pairs of shoes, it's definitely got the space. It feels pretty sturdy. Zippers and whatnot feel pretty sturdy, and it's got a really nice, it looks like a really nice hand strap that can also be lengthened out to a shoulder strap. So I like it. I don't have any complaints there. The other thing we got in here in this box looks like a T-shirt. Well, I was really excited about the T-shirt, but the excitement was short-lived. You guys can probably guess without me having to throw any more interjection here. It is like really big. As a matter of fact, let's see what size it actually is. This is and extra large. I actually wear a size small, so yeah, that's definitely not going to work. That's no biggie. I'll just message my homeboys and homegirls over at TalkDesk and ask them if they can send me a small. And then we should be sorted out there. But the material's nice. It's just black with white letters. But definitely, literally, like 3 sizes too big for me. Okay, now we're talking. So this seems pretty high quality. It looks like they sent me over like a, like a thermos or like a, coffee container or whatever. For those of you who don't know, I drink a lot of coffee. I drink a lot of fresh, pure Costa Rican coffee. So this will actually be really nice since I'm always in the office working for you guys to basically keep my coffee nice and warm. I see here it's a Contigo brand, so definitely not cheap stuff here. This is definitely a pretty, high quality little beverage container here. How does this work? Oh, there we go. Yeah, that's actually really nice. I dig that. I actually really dig that. Hey, quick little fun fact for you guys. For those of you who may or may not know, I speak fluent Spanish, and the actual brand here, Contigo, it's actually pronounced in Spanish accent. You would pronounce this Contigo, and Contigo actually means with you. So for those of you who did not know that, that's your little fun fact for the day. So I guess to put that into context, you would say something like, me voy a la fiesta contigo, which literally means I'm going to the party with you. So again, fun little fact for you guys, contigo is pronounced contigo, and it means with you. So I guess the idea behind their brand is their accessories or their items are always with you. So smart marketing there. So there you have it, folks. That is the bag or box of swag gear that TalkDesk sent me over as a thank you for being a dealer and a certified partner, and for closing some recent business that we, sent their way for a client that we felt met all of the requirements, or we felt TalkDesk met all the requirements and met all the needs that the client had. Again, for those of you who are watching this and you're interested in TalkDesk, you already know what it is and you would like to maybe see a demo to see if it works well for your company, I could arrange that for you. I work with TalkDesk regularly. I can also get you a lot better special pricing than if you shop direct. I'll also work on your behalf to be kind of a transparent, non-biased resource to see if TalkDesk makes sense for your business. And if we find that it doesn't make sense for your business, I have no problem with contacting some of the other carriers that I work with that would be, I guess, what you could call competitors to TalkDesk that also offer similar solutions. So, if you're not, if you're new to TalkDesk or you don't know what it is, again, in the cards, I've tagged a couple of videos that will show you more about TalkDesk. But if you'd like to know more about what they are and if they make sense for your small, medium, or large, contact center, whether you're inbound or outbound only or both, my services are free. I'm more than happy to connect you up with the right persons over at TalkDesk, and then we can see if it makes sense for you or not. So in conclusion, if you found this video interesting or helpful, please like this video. Please subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell. We upload new videos on all things voice over IP phone systems and business internet related in the market every single week. Prince Rich with Rich Technology Group, your go-to guy for the best deals on business phone and internet service in the United States. I'll talk to you guys again in the next video.